Friction stir welding. How does it work? Usually during welding, sparks, smoke, and extreme heat are to be expected. Usually. But is there a welding procedure that can operate without all of that? Yes, friction stir welding. But how does it work? Friction stir welding is the optimal process for materials of the future, such as aluminum, copper, and magnesium. It joins the materials without melting. Friction stir welding aims to perfectly join two workpieces. The metals are not melted. Instead, they are stirred. In other words, mixed. In addition to stirring, friction plays an important role. This tool enables the friction. The rotating pin is pressed into the workpiece. Frictional heat is generated through pressure and rotation. Due to the heat, the material becomes deformed, even without reaching the melting point. By moving forward along the welding path, the rotating tool stirs both materials. Thus, a discrete and extremely strong joint is created. With this innovative technology, parts that are fit for the future can be produced. Light, strong, and of high quality. Join Grenzebach on the path, and we will support you during the entire process of friction stir welding.